How to enable install unknown apps on Google Pixel 8a. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Tap on apps. Again scroll down. At the end you can see special app access. Tap on it. Now scroll down. Tap on install unknown apps. Now here you can see list of supported apps: Google Chrome, Drive, Files by Google, Gmail. When you install third-party apps or any APK file, you need to allow the permission to install the unknown apps or unknown source on your Google Pixel 8a. Just tap the app and toggle on the allow from this source to automatically install unknown apps related to Google Chrome without allow it. So make sure that toggle on option you want to allow the permission to install third-party apps on your device. So quite easy to enable install unknown apps on your device. That's it. If you like it, share it.